Well, how does a Nintendo DS work? Let's start off with the input and output devices of a DS. An input device is a device that connects to the DS and feeds information to it. The input system of the DS include the touch screen, the microphone, the buttons which are A, B, X, and Y, start and select, the left and right, as well as the arrow keys.
The device is a device that connects to the DS and is used to display the information sent. The output devices of a DS include the speakers, this particular screen, and the touch screen. Yoonji mentioned earlier that the touchscreen was an input device. Well, you know, it's also an output device. It's an input device when you touch the screen to tell the DS what to do, but it's an output device when the game displays the graphics for you to see.
You pop in your game, turn on the DS, and let the system boot up. This is when the DS really jumps into action. The processes begin the work of displaying graphics, like so. Not only that, but if you're using a stylus on the touch screen, or pushing buttons, then the internal system has to process its input and convert it into the output.
So how does the DS work in terms of battery life? On average, the DS will get about 10 hours of playtime. All kinds of factors determine the length of how long you can play. Basically, the more you use it, the shorter the life.
The DS is a built-in Wi-Fi network connection system. In other words, you can play with other people as long as they are in range. The DS sends out signals through a standard wireless router and connects it with other devices within the premises.
The Nintendo Wi-Fi connection can support up to 16 players in the Nintendo DS connection.
When you're done playing the game, you better remember to save, or you'll lose all the data. Some games, like this one, save automatically.
So once you finish a race, in this case, you don't need to save manually. And I bet you didn't know that the game cards themselves store the data for later use, but not the console itself.
So now that you know how the Nintendo DS works, you'll know exactly what's going on behind the screen.